Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com where I post content related to affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will share the top 12 qualities that you will find in every super affiliate. If you are an organization looking to hire affiliate marketers, you could get a few points for your interviews. Okay? My aim is to post videos in an easy to understand language so anyone who watches them understands the content and information that I share easily and clearly. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will be giving you a surprise present. So let's get started. And if you want, you can take notes. Okay? So let's begin. Almost every successful online businessman started their journey with affiliate marketing. Although affiliate marketing is an easy way of making money online, about 70% of affiliate marketers earn nothing. So, if you are thinking about what makes affiliate marketers super affiliate marketers, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share 12 qualities that differentiate super affiliate marketers and average affiliate marketers. Okay? The first quality of super affiliates is the willingness to learn and grow. Super affiliate marketers learn constantly. Mark Twain said, "Never let schooling interfere with your education." This means everyone, regardless of the qualification and position, must continuously learn, since education in school is only a small amount of what we know about this wonderful universe. Many beginners think super affiliate marketers are naturally gifted. I want to tell you, they are not. Every super affiliate has put in relentless hard work to reach where they are. They have a growth mindset, meaning they always strive to become better and learn skills that they are not good at. Once you develop a fixed mindset, that is, once you start to think that successful people are blessed and you cannot become like them, you will start to fall. No one is born blessed. Through our lives, what we achieve is due to our hard work, dedication, and persistence. And the master has failed more than the student has ever tried. Super affiliates also learn by experimenting. They run ads, try different banners, tweak their ad copies, and after several failures, they hit the bullseye. Super affiliates also and mostly learn through self-education. When I began affiliate marketing, I had no idea about how I will go about it. I started researching on search platforms, social media, forums, and communities and learned things. It took time, but eventually results started to appear and things fell into place. Along with self-education, learning from a coach also helps. When I was depressed and frustrated due to lack of results and no income, I met Mr. Siddharth Rajshekhar, India's #1 digital coach, who streamlined things for me. He was already where I wanted to be. So, learning from people better than us will reduce our learning curve. He shared the steps he took when he started and I followed them to the T, and gradually I started to see results. So along with self-education, successful affiliates also learn from a coach. They are coachable. Okay? The second quality of super affiliates is staying organized. Successful affiliate marketers have a clear plan. They know exactly where they want to be after a week, after a month, and a year. They set goals and achieve them weekly, monthly, and yearly. Okay? Secondly, they are super clear of their niche. They choose a niche based on their passion and area of interest and solve people's problems. They create content in the form of blog posts, videos, and products to help their audience. Okay? Super affiliates also keep track of how they spend their time and how much time each task takes. So, for example, if they work for 5 hours daily, they will split their 5 hours to allocate time to important tasks. They take up the most important tasks first and keep the lesser important tasks for later. They can determine their income sources and expenses by keeping track of ad campaigns, conversions, personal expenses, leads, etc. Okay? The third quality of super affiliates is that they choose one niche and stick to it. Super affiliate marketers choose one niche and focus on it. In the affiliate marketing business, being as specific as possible is key to success. By choosing one niche, you can better understand the pain of your target market and better focus on their requirements. You can explore and find out what the pain is, what challenges they face, gain knowledge and provide them solutions in a way that are easy to understand, easy to implement, and that can make their lives better. Okay? Choosing one niche helps to narrow down on product selection and promotion. By focusing and narrowing down, you will be able to choose products to solve a specific problem and help people overcome them. Super affiliates understand the importance of a particular niche and promote products only of that niche. Alright? So until now, we have seen the 3 qualities of super affiliates. I hope you are getting value. Now, let's move to the 4th quality of super affiliates: consistency. Super affiliate marketers are consistent with their efforts. They post blogs, upload videos, and podcasts regularly. Most of the highest ranking websites or affiliates stack up content after content that provides value to people. So, if you're looking to set up a successful affiliate marketing business, ensure that you post regularly on your platform. This in turn will strengthen your authority on the web. Okay? Consistency is key, and super affiliate marketers post content regularly by focusing on the long term. So, if you want to be successful in the long run, do not chase short-term quick success. Okay? Do not be a victim of the shiny object syndrome. Alright? Now, the 5th quality is that super affiliates interact with people. Affiliate marketing is a lonely journey. We usually work alone, but I would recommend you to network and interact whenever you can. Many affiliate marketers organize webinars that are packed with value and are worthy of attending. Successful affiliate marketers attend webinars, seminars, and meetups with their community and share ideas that help them to succeed. Okay? Networking enables you to interact and share ideas with like-minded people, which adds value to your lives. You can gain ideas, knowledge, newer ways to do business, helpful tools to use, and so on. Successful affiliate marketers add value to your lives, and I would recommend you to add value to people's lives that you interact with. Okay? In addition to attending webinars and meetups, you can join affiliate marketing forums and engage with people. You can answer their questions and provide value and solutions. A few of the forums that I am a part of are listed below the video. Okay? They are Affiliate Fix, DIJS, I'm Affiliate Premium, AFF Lift, STM Forum, and so on. Okay? I've linked them below the video. When you network with people, you can learn new things that you can implement in your business. I remember how reluctant I was to start email marketing in 2019. I came across a course by Chuck and Yuen and learned the importance and impact of email marketing for running a successful business. I implemented it, and until today, I'm reaping the benefits of using email marketing for my business. Another way of networking with people is to create a community of your own. Connect with them on a weekly or a monthly basis and provide value. Okay? When you share information that helps people, you will form strong connections with them. Alright? 6th quality of super affiliates is that they leverage creativity. Affiliate marketers are entrepreneurs, and it is imperative to get creative to stand out. Running a business does not mean creating content and running ads that sound like a robot. The people you target are human beings, and they love to be treated like human beings. Successful affiliate marketers have mastered the art of talking in a way that people feel listening to them. They get creative with their landing page copy, sales page copy, content, banners, and so on. Along with getting creative, successful affiliate marketers have mastered persuasive copywriting that helps them to get more leads and conversions. If you have visited the website of successful affiliate marketers, you would have noticed that their website is full of attractive and catchy visuals. They create visuals to catch your attention and complete the action they intend you to take. Okay? And along with visuals, they write content that matches their target audience. For example, the content of a health affiliate will be different than that of a business affiliate. So write in a way that matches your audience's taste. Okay? Successful affiliate marketers are masters of understanding the audience's psychology. They know the triggers that encourage people to buy. They are experts in using words that convince people to enter their credit card information and buy. In a nutshell, successful affiliate marketers are not only masters of content, but are masters of understanding human behavior and psychology. Okay? So until now, we have seen the 6 qualities. If you're learning something new, please give this video a thumbs up. Now, let me share the 7th quality of super affiliates. The 7th quality is that they adapt to changes. Super affiliates adapt to changes in technology and the environment. They make changes to their promotion strategy based on the market trends, whether if they promote physical products and so on. Let's address the elephant in the room. The elephant in the world, if I may rephrase. Many businesses were swept out by the deadly virus, and it was so severe in some countries that many successful businessmen were seen selling vegetables to make ends meet. In many countries, travel, tourism, hardware, furniture, and other industries took a severe hit to the extent that it became difficult to recover. Many of the people I know are from the tourism industry, and I've observed how tough things have been for them. Many companies had to hand out the pink slip to many of their employees only to stay in business, let alone earn profits. Successful affiliate marketers adapt to such changes and challenges and improvise their campaigns and efforts. They also understand that there are ups and downs in the market. People buy during some seasons, and for the rest of the year there is a lull. Would you buy sweaters during summer? Definitely not. There is a perfect time and place to sell products, and successful affiliate marketers know from their experience and insights from the past campaigns the correct time to sell. Now we move to the 8th quality, patience. Affiliate marketing, like any other business, takes time to take off. And if you are beginning your journey, please be patient. Not to demoralize you, but desirable results take months. On the brighter side, many achieve results much quicker. As a beginner, I would request you to not chase profits in the short term. Successful affiliate marketers stick to their niches and promote products that are truly valuable and that they align with. Almost all beginners fall prey to the shiny object syndrome and promote products with high commissions. In many cases, they promote products that they are not passionate about and end up not getting results and quitting. Successful affiliate marketers also understand that they need to invest time and money, and they accept that there is nothing called as setting up a business for free. So, if you are thinking of starting your affiliate marketing business, please be patient and do not quit even if you don't see results in a short amount of time. Okay? Successful affiliate marketers learn from campaigns that they run and implement their learnings in the next one. Alright? I will now share the 9th quality of super affiliates. Super affiliates are analytical. If you are an affiliate marketer, you would want to get insights into your performance, isn't it? Successful affiliate marketers keep track of everything from ad campaign, conversions, drop-offs to other crucial metrics. They analyze how their campaigns perform in terms of generating sales, conversions, and how each ad is performing. Okay? Successful affiliate marketers also track the performance of their landing pages, lead forms, etc. in addition to ads. If an ad does not return the results they expect, they stop running those ads and increase the spending on ads that perform well. Okay? They always follow the try, analyze, continue, and try, analyze, stop principles. They run an ad, analyze its performance, and if it performs the way as they desire, they continue running it. On the contrary, if an ad does not perform as expected, they stop running it. Okay? To draw insights from campaigns using the right tools that suit business needs is crucial. Every successful affiliate marketer uses tools that answer every question they might have. Which source medium brings the most traffic? Which device generates most lead, desktop or mobile? Which platform drives more sales, Android or iOS? Until now, we have seen the 9 qualities of super affiliates. I know it is a long video, but I am here to provide you value and over-deliver. And I hope you are getting value from this video. I will now share the 10th quality of a super affiliate, problem solving. One of the top qualities for succeeding as an affiliate marketer is to recommend products by keeping people's problems in mind. Super affiliates make it a point to solve people's problems first. They will never recommend you to buy a product until they are convinced and confident in its ability to help and solve people's problems. I think all successful affiliate marketers become problem solvers first and then go on to become successful. They understand people's problems, create content addressing their pain, and then provide value and solutions. So, if you wish to become an elite affiliate marketer, understand the pain of your audience and solve their problems. Alright? As an affiliate marketer, I would recommend you to recommend solutions, not products. People want solutions, not products. Okay? So if you feel a particular product could solve people's problems, only then should you recommend them to people. Alright? Okay. Now the 11th quality is managing money. As an affiliate marketer or any businessman, you must track how your money is being spent. Managing money is also a crucial skill for running a business. Keep track of where you are spending your money. Along with the expenses, determine your top sources of income and how much these sources add to your bank balance. Okay? It is also important to record how much you invest in tools, training, payment of taxes, how many of your customers ask for refunds, and so on. My mentor suggested a strategy that I implemented in my business. I set up the crucial systems with whatever money I had, and whenever income started to flow, I invested a major part of it back into my business. Although it is a simple strategy, it has blessed me to multiply my income and increase my income sources. So, the strategy is when you earn, invest a part of it back into the business and grow your money. And the last quality is productivity. When I started affiliate marketing, I was mentored by Mr. Siddharth Rajshekhar, who shared a life-changing lesson. I was going through his webinar during which he said, "It is not about how much time you spend, it is about how focused you are." If I were to reflect on how I used to do things, I would admit that what he said is 100% true. All of us, or at least most of us, work with our minds on social media, the latest web series, an ongoing sports event, and so on. When I was a student, I used to study for 3-4 hours, but a single social media notification would take minutes from my studies. If you are a student, I would request you to observe your studying habit. Do you study with your smartphones? Does one notification take minutes or maybe hours of your time? How does this multitasking help you accomplish your task? How long do you take to complete one task through multitasking? Multitasking, chatting and working or studying only takes a time, and the task that should take 1 to 2 hours take up 3 to 4 hours or maybe more. The same goes for affiliate marketers. If you are distracted, you will end up wasting time and achieving less. Your focus is inversely proportional to the number of tasks that you can complete and the amount of time that it takes. If you are distracted, you will take more time to complete a task, and if you are focused, you will take less time to complete it. Okay? A successful affiliate marketer manages his time well and avoids distraction. Another attribute linked to more focused and not wasting time is focusing on one task at a time. Successful affiliate marketers focus on one task at a time and take up another task only after finishing what they are doing. Okay? One thing I observed about successful affiliate marketers is they create a schedule and stick to it. One of my mentors advised me to follow the 50-10 rule, that is 50 minutes of work followed by 10 minutes of break. I've been following this advice and it has worked wonders. My productivity has doubled, and before, what I used to finish in 5 to 6 hours, I complete in a couple of hours. Hence, productivity will help you achieve more in 4 hours than people achieve in 10. Alright? So that's about this video. In this video, I shared the 12 qualities of super affiliates, and you should look for them in affiliate marketers if you're looking to hire them. Now, since you stayed till the end of this video, and as I promised, I will give you a surprise present. The present is that all of you who stayed till the end are eligible to get a VIP pass for my free training on affiliate marketing. I've placed the link in the description box, okay? Please click the link and reserve your spot. So, if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.